Dear students, welcome to my today's lecture. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss about the race part of chapter number 2, section number 1. That is the most important topic related on this soil texture. Soil texture. This is very much important topic on this chapter. So, let's start my lecture. Soil texture. What is this? Here, in this definition, two terms. One is soil, another is texture. First of all, you have to know that what is soil. Soil is the uppermost portion of the land. Soil is the uppermost portion of the land. So, this is the good definition of soil. And now, what is soil texture? In soil, we know that various kinds of qualities are there. Soil texture is one of them. Soil texture is one of them. So, what is the definition of soil texture? Very much important for your exam. This is the definition. See, students, relative proportion of sand, silt and clay. Relative proportion of sand, silt and clay. This is the good definition of soil texture. You must read it and in your exam, this is the very important question. In your exam, there will be a question, what is soil texture? Then you can write down relative proportion of sand, silt and clay. Here, three are there, sand, silt and clay. So, soil can be divided mainly into sand, silt and clay. This is the main classification of soil. So, this is the important definition. Now, it's time to know about what is the importance of soil texture. Importance. What is the importance? Importance of soil texture. What is the importance of soil texture? So, first of all, I have to say growth. Growth and development. Growth and development. Growth and development are facilitated by soil texture. Here, growth and development of soil are facilitated by soil texture. This is the number 1. Number 2. It facilitates. It facilitates good soil management. It facilitates good soil management. Okay. It facilitates good soil management. So this is the number 2. Number 3. Number 3 is facilitates soil classification. Facilitates soil classification. Facilitates soil classification. This is the very much important for your for this importance. So another importance are there, that is helps to select crops. Some crops are grown in sand soil, some crops are grown in silt soil, some crops are grown in clay soil. So helps to select crops. Which crops are important for which crops are grown in sandy soil, which crops are grown in silty soil, or which crops are grown in clay soil. So this is a very much important point. Now on the basis of I can say that on the basis of this classification of soil, one soil is very much important for all crops, or all kinds of crops are grown in that soil. What is that soil? That soil is loamy soil. Loamy soil is very much ideal soil. Loamy soil is very much ideal soil for soil production or crop production. So this is very much important. Now it's time to soil reclamation, that is sandy soil to loamy soil or clay soil to loamy soil. We know that not all the crops are grown in sandy soil and not all the crops are grown in clay soil. So loamy soil is the best. So we have, if we consider the good crop production, we have to reclaim soil. So sandy soil, we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil, and we can reclaim clay soil to loamy soil. So this is very much important of soil reclamation. Soil reclamation, sandy soil to loamy. First of all, I can show you sandy soil to loamy soil. I can show you sandy soil to loamy soil. How can I reclaim this item, sandy soil to loamy soil? Some important points are there. That is, first of all, by applying. See the students, first of all, by applying green fertilizer. Green. By applying green fertilizer. Green fertilizer. By applying green fertilizer. What is the definition of green fertilizer? Can you, all of you know that green fertilizers are the leaves or byproduct of any green plants. Byproduct of any green plants which are rotten on the soil and make fertilizers, good fertilizer. This is the green fertilizer, or this is also known as biofertilizers. One example of green fertilizers is Dhoncha. Dhoncha is a good example of green fertilizer. So in this case, by cultivating Dhoncha, we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil. By cultivating Dhoncha, we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil. So this is very much important. Now, number 2. Now number 2, by applying. By applying farmyard manure. By applying farmyard manure. Farmyard manure, FYM, farmyard manure. Farmyard manure means the manure which are collected from farm. So this is very much important, and we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil by applying farmyard manure. Okay. Now by applying earthworms. By applying earthworms. Earthworms. Wow, do you know that what are earthworms? Earthworms are very much helpful for environment, and this is eco-friendly. Earthworms can help to facilitate soil management, can help to fertility level, increase soil management. So this is very much important for this point. By applying earthworms, we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil. By applying earthworms, we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil. So this is very much important. Now I can clean the board, and now these are the very much important point by applying earthworms, and now by applying organic fertilizers. Number 4 point. By applying organic fertilizer. This is the short for organic fertilizers. O means organic, F means fertilizers. So this is very much important. By applying organic fertilizers. What are organic fertilizers? They are as green fertilizers and all obviously biofertilizers. Organic fertilizers are those fertilizers which are collected from byproduct of any animals or poultry, etc. Such as poultry, byproduct of poultry, such as byproduct of animal livestock. So this is very much important point. Number 4, by applying organic fertilizers. These are the very much important. If in your question there will be how can you reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil, how can you increase soil fertility by reclamation, soil reclamation, this one is very much important. And if you want to get higher marks on that question, then you can write down all the parts of this topic. So you must read attentively all the parts of this topic. You must read attentively all the parts of this topic. So this is very much important. Sandy soil to loamy soil. Okay. Now finally, we can reclaim clay soil to loamy soil. We know that not all the crops are grown in clay soil, so we must reclaim clay soil to loamy soil, because loamy soil is the ideal soil and all the crops can grow on the loamy soil. So we need to reclaim clay soil to loamy soil, clay soil to loamy soil, clay soil to loamy soil. Now number 1, here also are some important points in this. By applying sandy soil, by applying sandy soil, we know that in case of sandy soil, some sand particles are there. So if we apply sandy soil to reclaim clay soil to loamy soil, it must needed to apply sandy soil, because sand particles are larger size and clay particles are smaller size, and if these two sizes are mixed up, then you can obviously make it loamy soil, because the soil particle size of loamy soil are medium. Large size are mixed up with small size, then it can be medium size. So obviously this one is loamy soil. Now number 2, number 3 as look like as previous. By applying organic fertilizer, by applying green fertilizer, these are as look like as sandy soil to loamy soil. So students, this is also very important question for your exam. So today in today's topic, what can we learn? Then at first of all we can learn the definition of soil texture. First of all, I told you before, what is soil? Soil is the uppermost portion of the land where crop production are done, or various kinds of crops are grown on. Then what is soil texture? Relative proportion of soil, sand, silt and clay. This is the main classification of soil: sand, silt and clay. Then importance of soil texture: growth and development facilitated soil texture, soil fertility management, soil classification, soil texture facilitated soil classification, etc. Then I told you what is soil reclamation, how soil reclaimed by sandy soil to loamy soil and clay soil to loamy soil, because loamy soil is the ideal soil. So students, this lecture is very much important for your question, and in your question there will be what is the definition of soil texture in case of 1 mark, or what is the importance of soil texture in case of 2 marks, how we can reclaim sandy soil to loamy soil, or how we can reclaim clay soil to loamy soil in case of 3 or 4 marks. So student, if you read attentively, and you should write down all the points. If you want to get higher marks, so you should do this. So student, this is all about my today's lecture. Next day I will come another lecture. So you stay safe, stay cool. Allah Hafiz.